Hi and welcome to Taromovies. In this video I like to take you to an open mountain hike, and inspired during our last vacation in Italy, I'm going to try to make a pesto and some spaghetti with plants which grow around here in the mountains. So if you like, please join me. So for my pesto I collected some stinging nettles, ripbird and a few dandelion leaves. We are now here about 1,200 meters above the sea level, and as you have seen, I still could collect a few blackberries, which I will use later on for a cup of tea. Autumn is also a very good time to collect some tinder, like this plant seeds here, which burns perfect. They catch already a little spark and you can create a flame out of it. Look what I found here, so much perfect tinder. I decided to take the back of my tarp and take the time to collect some of it. So I will have enough during the winter time. So it took me only a couple of minutes to fill this big bag up. Should be enough for the moment. I guess we reached now the high of about 1,500 meters. It became quite warm. You can see the sun came up. I had to take my long arm shirt off. Otherwise I had a bit too warm, started to sweat. Let's get further on and try to get or find a nice place where we can build a fire layer and start to cook our pesto and our spaghetti. Finally, I arrived at this place where I like to cook. As you can see, behind me is a hunting hut. At the backside of the hut is enough firewood which I can use. So let's start with the pesto. I start to prepare some garlic, and to peel this garlic there's a little trick you might already know. Just take it and hit it like this. Not too much that you don't smash it all. And then it makes it really easy to peel them off like this. So that's the next step. I'm having here some pine nuts. To smash the pine nuts, I cut a piece of this branch off and try to get a very even cut on one side. So if we have finished that, we can put some Parmigiano Italian cheese to it. I try to make a mix. Cut the pieces as small as possible, then give it also into the pan. The next step is to put some olive oil all over it. And some salt and a little pepper. So to my berry mix I do also some pine needles. Water. And then we boil it about 5 to 10 minutes. In this case I put my teapot right into the campfire, and for the spaghetti pot I will make something like a pot hanger. I really like to keep things like that just simple. The spaghetti should be ready by now. Carefully. My tea is ready nearly at the same time. And now, magic, magic. The pesto gets in duty and over spaghetti. Yes. So let's go to a sunny place and enjoy. Simple to make and such a great result. Of course, at the outdoor, everything is tasting much better than at home. But this is really, really amazing. I probably will do it, this recipe, the next time at home for my family. So now I have a try what our berry tea tastes like. It became quite a dark or violet color. So fine. The combination of the pine needles and the berries, I didn't expect that it tastes that good. I put the campfire down with some water from the creek, I packed my gear and I'm ready to go and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day here in the mountains. I really hope you like this very simple but delicious pasta recipe and you will give it the next time as you are enjoying the outdoors a try. As always, you'll find some more information about my used gear in the video beneath in the description box of the video. and I would be very happy if you are join Taromovies the next time again. Tschüss, ciao, and bye bye.